Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is el-sarrag and I'm here to help you to start photography. Before I start, I'd like to tell you all Happy New Year. I wish 2018 will be a perfect year for you. Reach all your goals, reach all your dreams, be successful, become a better photographer, achieve whatever you want in life, be happy, have a life full of fun, happiness, joy, everything. Now, finally, I'm back after a long stop of my channel, after approximately 1.5 years due to some personal issues. But now I'm back. As per my New Year resolution, one of them is to come back to you, to teach you more about photography, to help you to become better photographers. I'm preparing a lot of contents for you, starting from composition, how to move from automatic to manual, when to use aperture priority, all this kind of basic stuff to help you to improve faster and become better photographer as well. And don't forget, always subscribe. You need to subscribe to my channels, like the video and share it to have more people liking and requesting for the videos. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to my email list, so whenever I will post a new video, you'll be the first one to know about it. I'm also here to announce that I start videography. I'm just starting from scratch. I got some course and I'm learning it. Nowadays, everyone is coming to ask me to do some videos next to my photo. So now it's not enough to be a photographer only. You need to learn videography to have more business. If you don't know how to do videography, you might also lose some of the clients. They will come no, we need only one person to do photos and videos. So if you don't know how to do videos, you will lose that client and he will never come back to you, which happened to me. And that's why I already purchased the course, which teach me how to do videography, sorry. And if you wanna learn with me, write a comment down below that you want to learn and you want me to make videos, and we will do the journey together, learn together, do our mistakes together. You will learn from my mistake. I will show you how to edit the videos. I will show you how to take videos, compose, everything same as I learned myself. So if you like this, just write in the comment, and if I have enough comments, I will definitely do the videos for you. That's it for today. I would like to thank you all for coming back to my channel. I would love to hear from you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and like the video and share it so everyone else will learn with you. And see you all next time. And don't forget, if you have any question, write it down and I will prepare a video to answer your question. Thank you so much.